How's it going, YouTube? This is Life with Madman Wild Bill. This is my first YouTube video, so guys, work with me here. And my screen protector on my phone's cracked, so it's gonna look a little funny on the front camera, but it's not gonna be the front camera the whole time, so just work with me for a second. But basically what we got going on today, we got this 2500 HD in here with the 6-liter. We've been having some overheating issues. Basically, I've actually got a video on my phone that I'm gonna try to throw in here for you guys, but it's basically of the exhaust pipe that would drip coolant, and basically whenever you would rev it up, it would drip even more coolant. So pretty much knew that it was a blowhead gasket after I did that and ran a couple other tests. It also was pushing coolant out of here after you drove it for a little bit, so that was another sign. And then also the customer brought it in, he already put a new radiator in here. He put a new thermostat and a new water pump in here, so we knew that all that was good. I went back and checked the thermostat to make sure that it operates and functions like it's supposed to, and it was functioning and operating. It was opening and closing. Put it all back together and thought maybe it just needed to be bled with a good coolant funnel, you know, that would help get the bubbles and stuff out of it. But you know, I tried that and that didn't fix it either. So basically what it was doing, it was pushing all the coolant out the exhaust pipe, so whenever it got low in here, then the truck would start running hot and it would start pushing out of this, and then yeah, it was just a bad time. So basically what we're going to be doing today, guys, is I'm gonna set my camera up over there, and I am going to do a time-lapse video of me pulling the heads off of here so we can do the head gaskets. So yeah. All right, guys, hopefully that didn't take too long, but got the heads off. Man, look at that gasket. The other gasket. Don't necessarily see a blowed spot.